Few trials in American judicial history have garnered as much public attention as this one. The trial revolves around former President Donald Trump, who is facing 34 felony charges for allegedly falsifying business records. These charges are connected to purported hush money payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels during the 2016 election. The road to this moment has been full of legal twists and turns. The seeds of this trial were sown in Manhattan, where a grand jury first contemplated indicting the former president for a pre-election payment to Stormy Daniels. The case drew parallels to John Edwards' trial, where he was acquitted of campaign finance violations. Trump's defense pivoted on the argument that the payment was not to deceive voters, but to protect his family. The outcome of this case is uncertain due to the complex interplay of state and federal laws. Legal experts continue to debate the intricacies of linking these laws in this context. In the weeks leading up to the trial, Trump's legal team has been attempting to delay the proceedings. They cited the intense media coverage of the criminal charges, arguing that it could potentially bias jurors. However, these requests for delay were met with opposition, emphasizing the ability to empanel a fair jury in the heart of New York City. As the trial began, jury selection became a process of its own. Hundreds of potential jurors were scrutinized, as Trump's defense aimed to slow down proceedings and preserve issues for appeal. Meanwhile, the former president criticized the trial as a scam and a political witch hunt. In the midst of this, Trump made a personal request to attend his son's graduation. The judge, however, has yet to rule on this request. This case is a legal labyrinth, with Manhattan prosecutors charging Trump with 34 counts of falsification of business records. These charges, brought as felonies by Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg, hinge on the prosecution establishing an underlying crime. This could involve federal campaign finance violations, state election law, or New York tax law. The outcome of this case may lead to years of litigation and could potentially reach the United States Supreme Court. In summary, the former president faces a historic and complex trial, with the convergence of state and federal laws, intense media scrutiny, and the political undertones of the case, making it a spectacle unlike any other. If you're interested in following this historic trial as it unfolds, remember to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more updates and deep dives into the world of politics and law.